IATA and MTTM program for careers in aviation, travel, and tourism industry. So, before I begin with the session, um, I would like to tell you a little bit about IATA. IATA is International Air Transport Association, and it is headquartered in Canada, where the training and development happens, where the international certifications that you currently get, they are all from IATA Canada. They have also another headquarter, which is in Geneva, Switzerland, and the other operations happen over there. Now, IATA is responsible to build capacity for the travel and tourism industry. Apart from that, they are also lobbying for the rights of the airline plus the travel and tourism industry, especially the travel agents. So one thing is, once you get certified by IATA Canada, you are not required to do any other kind of re-registration or recertification or answer another exam. That usually happens even for some bigger professional programs, that once you're done that, again you need to go back and answer another exam. But this doesn't happen in case of IATA. This is a globally recognized certificate, and I'm going to speak about some of the offline sessions, that is the classroom sessions that we are offering at SS Dempo College. So I'm going into the first course that we are offering, and this is the only authorized training center in Goa. That means we are the licensed college to provide this course in Goa. So we began with IATA Foundation in Travel and Tourism, which is still a very well-known course, and it is quite famous, the Foundation in Travel and Tourism. I would tell you that if you want to join an airline, okay, as a cabin crew or any other position, they first ask you whether you have an IATA certification. So that's the level of demand that this IATA certificate has. So with this particular foundation, I'll tell you a little bit more about foundation. The foundation covers three aspects. One is the travel product itself. Travel products include air, accommodation, all your visa related formality, and then you also have the cruises, camper vans, car rentals. So all these come under this section, the travel products. Then you also have travel geography, airport operations. One complete module is given to airport operations. Then comes the second section, which is associated with airfares and ticketing, where a little bit of mathematics is required. Just you can use a calculator, simple additions method, multiplication and division. That's all you need to know. One of the most important inclusions of the IATA Foundation in Travel and Tourism is the GDS, Global Distribution System. So with this, you can use a system and you can make bookings. So let me tell you when our course is going to start. So IATA Foundation in Travel and Tourism, this is a 3 months course. It will begin from June 2021, and it will be a 2-hour session on a daily basis, 5 days a week. That is Monday to Friday. And also online proctored exam can be written from home with remote supervision. In case you want to come and answer it in college, you're still allowed to. When we say online proctored exam, that means there is a person who is a mentor who's watching you when you write the exam. So, and it is a closed book exam, so you're not required to refer to any books. There will be 100 questions, and the passing mark is, as per international standards, 60 marks, not 30. Please make a note of that. And you get 2 attempts to answer within a period of 1 year. And once you answer this successfully and score more than 60%, and if it reaches 85%, you get a distinction. And that will be mentioned in your certificate. The certificate are digitally prepared now. They don't send it from Canada, but all the signatures, they give you the specification into which you can print that certificate. Okay, so because of COVID, and there are a lot of restrictions with regard to cargo and the transfer of these certificates, they have decided to give you digital certificates. This digital certificate, you can insert it in your LinkedIn profile, and you can make it known to people that you are an IATA certified professional. And anyone who has a certificate is ready to work in the industry. You don't need to have another set of training, because the entire training happens hands-on, and it's a kind of a capacity building which is valued across the world. Okay, now I'll tell you a little bit about the career options once you do this. Frontline travel agencies, and you can also join travel process outsourcing companies. Some of the companies which are in Goa are open destinations which are into hotel contract loading, and then you have Axilia, which is completely into airline ticket fulfillment. For example, refunds, exchanges. So those things which the automation cannot handle is handled by people. Okay, and skilled people who know airfares and ticketing need to do this kind of work. And then you have Travel Pack, which is in Varna, and there are many more. If you move to places like Bangalore, you have got good options in career, that is in GDS. The some of the GDS is Sabre, Galileo, WorldSpan, Amadeus. So they offer you a good career in the GDS as a customer support or technical support. And once you join these companies, the starting salaries in Bangalore is around 60,000. So in Goa, it may start from 20,000, depending on the kind of educational background you have. If you have a 12th standard plus an IATA Foundation certificate, it may be 8,000. So I'm just giving you a rough idea about how this entire certification works, along with your add-on academic qualification. Okay, there is a special offer that we have for those who register before 15th of May. If you see, this is open for people from first year as well, BCom. You need not complete a graduation to do this course. So by the time you complete your graduation, you already have a globally recognized certificate with you, and you will be also sent for internships where you can have additional work experience loaded into your CV. Okay, now the special offer for those who register before 15th of May 2021, we are giving a free online course on social media strategy for the travel industry. So how you can maximize your sales using social media. So this is worth 12,000 rupees. The cost of only IATA Foundation in Travel and Tourism, it works up to around 450 US dollars, plus the tuition fee in the college, which is 30,000 rupees. So somewhere at around roughly say 75. And it is a ebook which is given to you. We advise our students not to go for printed books because again, Canada to India is again an issue. It reaches very late and students are not able to get it on time. So the best go for printed, it's higher. When you go for an ebook, it is the cost reduces. Okay, let me go down to the next course. This is an advanced level course. It does not mean that you cannot do this. And if you have a accountancy background, this particular course will be very useful for you, because the add-on free course is online billing and settlement plan. This is what the accountants need if they work in large travel agencies, the accounting department of large travel agencies, as well as if they go for, the airline accounting department. So this particular free course is worth 27,500, and it is clubbed with IATA consultant course. It is a little advanced than the foundation in travel and tourism. Only thing that is missing here is the GDS, because GDS is already covered in the foundation section. Okay, 3 months, 2 hours session, 5 days a week. And you can become a tourism entrepreneur, travel consultant, tour operator, travel agency, and airline accounting professional. So let us go further to the next. IATA Airport Operations Management. So over here, the course begins from the 10th of August, 2021, 4 sessions a week, a total of 48 hours. Then online proctored exams will be there. Digital certificates will be given upon successful completion of this particular program. You will get to join careers in airport security, ground handling, baggage handling, airside ramp services. Our students are already placed in airport operations, especially the students who had done MTTM along with airport operation as an add-on course. Looking at a cargo introductory course, this is associated with logistics and cargo, and this is a very good course. It is, the admissions are open now. It's a self-study course, and we provide for external tutors, and the sessions are all online. There are no offline classes as of now because of the pandemic. online session. There'll be 50 online sessions, contact session, and again it will be a proctored exam, an international IATA digital certificate will be given to you. It can be displayed on your LinkedIn profile. You can get into career as a cargo and logistic operator, freight forwarder, manager. So this particular course is very, I would say this career is quite lucrative because there are very few skilled people in the cargo division. So once MOPA opens up, and then you will have many more opportunities to join into the cargo division if you are into that kind of a person who doesn't like to talk too much but would like to handle the material and logistics. Then this is a kind of a course for you, and highly paid job. Okay, I'll go ahead with the next one. This entire course will work up to around 45,000 for you. Okay, and e-learning. So we have a lot of e-learning courses. So in case you don't have that 3-month time or 50 hours of time to spend for a course, so what you can do is you can go for a fully online mentored class session that happens. There is no classroom session. So we this is good for people who are interested in accounting and financial management. So one course is accounting and financial management for travel agencies, e-learning. The cost is $135 plus 5,000 administrative charges which you need to pay to college. 135 goes to IATA Canada. Whatever I mentioned in US dollars, they all go to Canada. The college doesn't collect it. You have to transfer it directly from your account. BSP Essential for Travel Agency, I told you that it cost around 27,000. This is a standalone course if it is taken by you separately. Then Aviation Law Fundamentals. So if you're interested in law and you like to negotiate on deals between airlines over the flying rights of the carriers over different countries, then Aviation Law Fundamentals is for you. It's an e-learning course. It's quite reasonable with 76 US dollar and 5,000 as admin charges to the college. Dangerous goods regulation, DGR, for general cargo accepting. So once you do a cargo introductory, then you can go for the DGR. This is also a course that people are seeking, and they want such personnel because people do not know how to handle dangerous cargo. This cost around 150 US dollars and 5,000 is the admin fee. Apart from this, if you are a IATA student, you're taken any one of these courses, you can go for a Harvard certification, the Harvard Manage Mentor for IATA students. So you need to be an IATA student to go for this. So they give you an ebook in English, and the cost of this is 200 US dollars plus 5,000 is the admin charges. So these are the different courses that I wanted to share with you. Now I open the session for questions. Before we end, I'll just share a little bit about Masters of Tourism and Travel Management. You students are in the first year now, and if at all you feel that tourism and travel is something that you want to go ahead in future, we are offering this in our college, and this is the only program in Goa and at a postgraduate level. So you can be a graduate from any discipline. You need not have a tourism background. And the entrance to this is through Goa University admission ranking test, which is called as GUAT. And the entrance exam has to be answered. You need to get a rank first to enter or get admission into the MTTM program. Okay, so I think I have covered most of the aspects, and I'm keeping the slide open in case you want to get in touch with me. My number is down here. And I'll also put it in the chat box if you want to copy it. Okay, so and I'm available in the staff room in case you call me up and you say that you want to meet me. Maybe when the things are normal, then you can always meet. You can always call, or you can chat on WhatsApp. Uh, I'll be there to clarify your questions. So now I open the session for questions from the participants. If you have any questions, you can check with me. You can unmute and speak. Earlier, I think Ayush or Ritik had a question. Can you just repeat that so that other students also benefit from this? Someone from the MTTM department had asked me a question, and if you can repeat that question now, I think it will benefit the rest of the students. No questions, anyone? Smita ma'am, any kind of questions that you would like to raise?
No, since you have recorded this session, maybe you can send me. I will upload it on the Google Classroom for students, just in case those students who are absent for this session, it will help them as well.
Yes,
And
right.
right. And normally students don't have any questions when this session unfolds. As in when they write to me, if at all they have any queries, I will revert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think
Thank you so very much.
you're welcome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Cheryl.
Yes.
Yeah. And it was a pleasure listening to you. And it's nice. My son is also answering his 12th. So I
Okay.
had made a brief mention to him. I will send the recording to him as well. He
Okay,
can
ma'am.
share it with his friends.
Yes.
Yes, I'm on the Mushti Fund parents group as well. If it's okay with you, I can
Yes,
share it
ma'am.
there
Yes,
as well.
yes, please share.
Because then they can also avail these facilities that we
Yeah,
are offering to the
correct,
students.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right,
and
right.
that
So
offer is open only till 15th of May. If they register by 15 May, they get a very good add-on e-learning course, which is worth a lot of money, in fact, which they had to do separately. So if they can register by
okay,
15 May, it will be great. But they can take up
and
the session in September or December also. Only registration.
okay, and placement is also assured.
We send them for internships, but as soon as a student gets an IATA certificate, they are placed. So they don't have any problem with placement at all.
An internship is here in India itself, in
It's
Goa.
in India, and Indigo Airlines, they have requirements on a monthly basis. So they keep sending us requirements for students. Then we forward the CV or we send them there for the interview.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, since the exams have been postponed for the 12th existing current students,
Yes.
then what is the status? I mean, they can join?
They can join, ma'am. They can join. The
Okay.
thing is, we have the session in June, and if the exams are before September, they can join in September. If they feel it's too early, they can join in December as well. So every 3 months there is a session.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
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 that's great. Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you
Okay,
so very much. On
you're
behalf of
welcome.
my students, let me thank you.
Thank.
And yes, if it's okay, then I can share your number also with them. I've
Yes, ma'am.
already shared the contents which you had given me.
Yeah.
So any which ways, we are there to help them out.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
let me thank you once again. Yeah, thank you so very much,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Cheryl.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, students. You can mark your attendance so that ma'am can get the attendance of those people who had attendance. So just mark present in the chat box and then you can leave. For those students from the BCom section, if you can just mark present, I'll share this attendance with Smita ma'am. Yeah, if everyone is done, I'm going to close the session now. All right, and you can always contact me on the number that I've given, and I'll be also sharing it on as a YouTube video. You can go through it again, show it to your parents, and decide on which course is best for you. Okay, bye for now.